that's a major salmon river. That's the Nisqually tribe's home for thousands of years. So we really had a reason for getting that set and locked up so it couldn't be turned into something totally unusual for an estuary. And we got people interested, and you get people interested in it. People didn't know what do you mean as a wetland? What is it? And you educate them. Wetlands are extremely important, and especially estuaries. And now every mile of the Nisqually River is protected.